In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Canva for collaboration, whether this is collaboration on creating an assignment between teachers, whether you want students to be able to collaborate with each other for a group project or peer editing, or if you want to use this as a class whiteboard where all of the students in the class will be able to contribute to the project. So when you are in your Canva workspace, at the very top, you will see your initials for your account that you're logged into, and then a plus sign. I'm not going to click on the plus sign for privacy reasons because it does show your name and your email when you do that. But when you click on the plus sign, there will be a bar that will ask you to type in an email address or names of anybody within your organization. Because we are within our district organization, you can type in the name of your peer or your student, and it will automatically pop up. You click on their name and you can add them. You can decide next to their name whether you give them viewing access, commenting access, or editing access. If you were going to use this as a collaboration tool, all of your collaborators need to have edit access. And then what you can do is, say you were using this as a class whiteboard, you can come into that plus sign again if you have a student who is not being productive, and you can restrict their access. So you can change them to be viewers only so that they can see what everyone is working on, but they won't be able to edit it. Or you can remove their access completely where they cannot see or edit the presentation. It's a very simple, very intuitive way to do collaboration with your peers or your students.